If you have an iPhone, you need to change these two settings right now. Hackers have found a way to access your information through these two settings, and unfortunately, they're on by default, and they know it. Tap on Settings. From here, tap on Wi-Fi, and I want you to scroll down right here, Ask to Join Networks. Make sure this is turned off. This is the initial step that allows them to access your information. But wait, you're not protected yet. You need to change this setting as well. Tap on Settings, tap on General. From here, tap on AirPlay and Continuity. And this is the second step that allows them to access your phone. They get in through a public network, and then they get in through AirPlay. So from here, tap right here, and I would turn this to either Ask or Never. If you use it on a regular basis, put it on Ask. For me, I'm putting it on Never. This will help protect your phone from being attacked on a public network. I'm curious, were yours both turned on by default?